Hello, this is Veda with Taxdome, and in this video I will show you how to automatically move the job to the next stage once the document is e-signed. This function is very useful when it comes to keeping track of your signature requests automatically, so you won't need to double check client signatures one by one and then move the job card to the next stage. The first thing you would need to make sure is that the Automove feature in your pipeline has been turned on. The next step would be to request a signature from your client by heading over to the Client's Docs tab, clicking on the three vertical dots located on the right of the document, and then clicking on Request Signature. From here, you may manually drag the signature fields into the PDF, or we can use a signature template that pre-populates that PDF. The only thing that you're going to make sure is that the Signer 1 field is populated by a relevant contact. Once that is completed, we need to go back to the workflow and make sure that our job is in the correct stage. If the job is in the correct stage, we would just need to click on the job card once and then select the link option. From here, click on Documents and select the document that is currently used as a signature request. Once you have completed that, you can head on back to the workflow, and as soon as the client signs the document, the job will move to the next stage. So now we know how to properly link a signature request to a job. Thank you for watching and have a great day.